Targets the forearms, wrists, and fingers. Develop your forearms and wrists with this exercise equipment that is designed to target the flexor and extensor arm muscles. This innovative Marcy gym equipment also strengthens the fingers to increase your grip strength. Portable assembly. This ingenious strengthener measures 14.5 inches in length, 8 inches in width, and 6 inches in height. Its compact structure allows you to easily and conveniently store it at home without taking up too much space. Variable resistance system. This workout gear comes with a handy variable resistance system that allows you to monitor your progress. The variable resistance works by increasing the resistance toward the concentric phase of the lift, facilitating efficient performance of various arm exercises. Adjustable grip. Designed for adjustable grip, allowing you to create the perfect fit for your forearms. The grip ensures precise targeting of the muscles in your arms. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. I was skeptical, but this is actually a great bit of equipment. I use it when I am on the couch stroking one out. After one hand gets tired, I'll swap out. It gets a good workout while I am doing what I do anyway. Can't go wrong. And I can definitely tell a difference in forearm definition almost immediately.